A for apple, A for apple, shiny and red red, crunchy and tasty, good for your head. B for ball, B for ball, bounce it high, go. Catch it quickly, don't let it fly. C for cat, C for cat, soft and small, meows and purrs, chasing a ball. D for dog, D for dog, wagging tail, runs and barks on every trail. E for elephant, E for elephant, big and tall. With a long trunk, it sprays water for all. F for fox, F for fox, clever and quick tall. Hides in the forest, sly and slick. G for goat, G for goat, climbs so high, jumps on hills, touching the sky. H for hen, H for hen, cluck cluck sound, lays fresh eggs on the ground. I for ice cream, I for ice cream, cold and sweet one. A yummy, melty, tasty treat. J for jellyfish, J for jellyfish, floats in the sea, wobbly and soft, as gentle as can be. K for kite, K for kite, flying high, bouncing and twirling in the sky. L for lion, L for lion, king so brave, guide, loud roving voice in the cave. M for monkey, swings on trees, chatters and plays in the breeze. N for nest, cozy and round. Birdies sleep without a sound. O for orange, juicy and bright, full of vitamin, a healthy bite. P for peacock, feathers wide-eyed, dances in rain with colorful pride. Q for queen, kind and fair, wears a crown with shining flair. R for rat, small and fast, runs and hides, zooming past. S for ship, sails on the sea, carrying treasures for you and me. T for tiger, stripes so bold, my man, strong and fierce, brave and bold. U for umbrella, open widen, keeps you dry when rains collide. V for van, drives on the road, carrying people with a heavy load. W for watch, ticks all day, helping us time our work and play. S for several, X for xylophone, tap with stick.
name of the shape below? Triangle. What is the name of the shape below? Circle. What is the name of the shape below? Square. What is the name of the shape below? Oval. What is the name of the shape below? Rectangle. What is the name of the shape below? Heart. What is the name of the shape below? Star. What is the name of the shape below? Cross. What is the name of the shape below? Diamond. What is the name of the shape below? Semicircle. What is the name of the shape below? Crescent. What is the name of the shape below? Hexagon. What is the name of the shape below? Pentagon. What is the name of the shape below? Kite. What is the name of the shape below? Arrow. What is the name of the shape below? Cylinder. What is the name of the shape below? Cone. What is the name of the shape below? Cube. What is the name of the shape below? Trapezoid.
A for apple, tasty and red, a crunchy fruit that keeps us fed. B for banana, yellow and long, peel it and eat it all day long. C for cat, gentle and small, playing happily with a woolen ball. D for dog, barking with cheer, a loyal friend we love so dear. La watermelon, juicy and green, the yummiest fruit you've ever seen. X for xylophone, ding, 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 making happy songs to dance and sing. Y for yo-yo, spinning around, going up and down without a sound. Z for zebra, stripes black and white, running so freely with all its might. La 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 la.
For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel.